the gift and cause of being me. But now, nobody wants to drag me. All the things, truths, not meant to be infuriating, but all the truths that I have said on my social media. Yet, nobody want drag me, like make a video saying how I'm going to burn in hell. Why? I mean, the only times that one lad like that, so, when I don't know anything they want and we just come my page that year. But even him warned himself quickly. Because a man on my on my page. Just one more. I mean, the peace of mind is priceless. Say nobody they come carrying bullshit comes to you. We'll probably go day funny, right? Think will probably just day funny when person comes say the word of God, say or some shit. Well, the course now we say apparently you need some controversy. Not like you need at least people to drag you now. So that people will hear waiting you they talk, waiting you stand for. So yeah, if you drag me matolo in Alusi, you drag them kita. I no go dragging them more. So in fact I don't change my mind, no drag me. No, we walk.